Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you guys are here. Today I have another unboxing, and this is an unboxing that comes from my buddy Jason Grant at Brass Brigade. If you guys remember, when Jason was a guest, he had a couple of knives that he was showing, and I bought a couple of knives on the live stream. And these, or this, I don't even remember what it was, is it. So let's take a look and see what I have done. And guys, I buy these knives. I think they're every bit worth it. Before I jump in here, I do want to give a quick shout out and huge thank you to all the channel members. Thank you guys and gals so much. And I want to give a big shout out to anybody who takes the time to stop by and watch my knife and EDC content. I appreciate it. It means everything to me. If you haven't had a chance yet and you're so inclined, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out. So let's get into what we've got here. We've got two things. And the Grant G. Alright guys. Y'all know what that is? That is a pimped out hand modified Grant Tripper, guys. How freaking cool is that? Have to get some paper. Look at that wicked hollow. Like I said in the original, because I've got the, and on the review I'll show it, I've got the factory version of the Tripper, which I call the Gripper's angry little cousin because it's so aggressive. This one is just, it's a one of a kind, guys, and that's what I'm about. I love Jason's work. Call me biased, I guess, but we all have designers we like, right? Makers. And this, if y'all were on the live stream, you saw this little guy before it was finished. A little handwritten certificate of authenticity. Check that beautiful little J-Cal out. It's got the Grant Jimping G10 purple liner. You can't really see that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Beautiful satin flat ground. Guys, these are handmade, hand ground knives. So they're not, in my opinion, going to be the same type of knife as I'm looking for something to grab that was made by a factory and a machine, right? So what I find absolutely beautiful about these knives is knowing that each one of these were done independently. They all look different. They're all unique. Every one of those jimps are unique. Fits my hand like an absolute beast. It has a Slurpee Saver tip. I'm just speechless, guys. I mean, literally, I'm such a J-Cal fan. I love these little knives. I've got to get this little guy over to Joe. Joe, I have not forgotten you if you're watching this. I've got several that are going to be coming your way, and they're small like this. I actually picked up a knife from Brother Five Door who that had a Lancelot leather slip sheath for a little J-Cal that I bought on the secondary. But yeah, I love that. Guys, one of a kind. You can really see the purple right there. One of a kind. Handcrafted, USA made. Looks like he's using Torx. Let's see what we got there. Look, at least a 15. So he is using on this particular one Torx T20. That's a T20 that holds those scales on. Full tang construction. You can see the lines of the steel. Just beautiful. His grinds are so on point. I mean, each one of these that I experience gets better. And that's why I keep investing in them. I think they're absolutely fantastic knives. I will do a video coming up, and I will do kind of a J-Cal overview, show you all the ones I've picked up and why. It's just they're unique little knives. They're great little EDC knives for opening packages, for cutting tape, for cutting rope, for getting all Slurpee saver if you have to. And I mean, it's balanced perfectly. It's got some weight to it. I mean, just to give you guys an idea, and this is not a review. This is simply an overview. Unboxing, should we say, not an overview. This little guy weighs in at 2.15 ounces. That little guy's not even a whole ounce heavier. So, again, just a beefy little slicey, mean cleaver, flat ground beauty, and a hollow ground custom Grant Tripper to go with my standard Tripper. Guys, I appreciate you. Jason, I appreciate you. Guys, check out at Brass Brigade on Instagram. I will link him up down at the description. But making knives every day, getting better every day, cool knives. I'm just stoked beyond words. I love it. I appreciate you guys. Do me a favor, if you would. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.